Alright, so hello guys, welcome back to back with another video. So in this video we are gonna do a different type of video because today we are gonna unbox this Zebronics Zep Transformer gaming keyboard and mouse combo. So basically I got this for as my birthday present. So I have already used this for like 1 month. So this is like just a basic unboxing, and I will say how good quality it is and what all LED lights could be used in it and other things. So here as you can see there is a means tear in the cardboard. So basically this tear came before I got this packet, so I thought there will be any damage, but there was no damage for the product. So and I am using it for like 2 to 3 weeks, means 1 month. So yeah, it's a good product according to me. So as you can see here, so now I will unbox this. So let's open, and I will also show you guys by connecting this to my laptop, as you can see. So now let's unbox, and here I open, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon because we are very close to 350 subscribers. So here you can see in this I have already taken out all the cardboards, means the sponge and all the covers. So here we have the two main components, the keyboard and the mouse. So as you can see I have already taken out all the things, and we have manual also and one guarantee card, I guess. So here you can see this is the main stuff. The mouse, according to me, it has like good quality of the material which it's used. So now here you can see we have the manual also. Here you can see how it is to connect and how to change color. All of it is shown here. So here we have three color variants here. As you can see, there is a button of LED light here, and I will show you. Wait a sec. I'll take this out first. Okay, we take it out and throw this box away. Now let's go on to the main component. So here you can see this is our keyboard, and there we go, our mouse. So now I will connect to my laptop. As you can see I connected. Now let's on the laptop. Oh. And as you can see, this is how it looks when it's been booted. So even the mouse has color LED lights, as you know. So here you can see we have three variants for the means three color variants for the keyboard. So if you click on the LED button, we can change the light. Here you can see a LED button, this one. As you click on that, the color that's changed. There are three colors, and these are the third one. And if we click once more, the keyboard light gets off. So I have on it, and here you can see mouse also has very much other type of colors: blue, then purple, red, then green, yellow, etc. is there. Yeah, it's very cool in night. So now I will show you guys some photos which I took during night time. So here we go. So I hope that you would like that pics, which it really looks cool. I really like that. And so if I basically say how the product is, I will say it is very good, and I am using it for quite a long time, and all the keyboard keys and everything are very good. So now if you guys want to purchase this, I will give you the link in the description of Amazon. You can click on that, or otherwise go to Amazon and search this gaming mouse, means gaming keyboard and mouse combo. It will be there in the first top. I think it's like 1000 299 rupees for what I brought it. So I got it for Amazon sale actually. So you can go and check it out. I'll give you the link in the description. And here you can see a close-up look in the lights, LED lights, how it looks, and the mouse. So basically this will be my setup actually. You can see this. So you can see how it looks from the this angle, and yeah, that's all. So I hope that you enjoyed this different type of video, which is actually an unboxing video. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe. And in the next video, stay cool and bye bye.